The 23rd China International Industry Fair kicked off yesterday at the National Exhibition and Convention Center in Shanghai with the dual themes of the digital economy and industrial decarbonization. A good number of new deals are being struck between local and foreign firms, all concentrating on consolidating and improving their supply chains, as reporter Zhang Shih has been finding out.
Digitalization may sound pretty technical, but it's now almost everywhere around us. In buildings, transportation, energy, biopharma, and even food and beverage production. U.S. headquartered Rockwell Automation has combined all these invisible tech services into a vivid mini digital world at the industry fair, aimed at an alliance with both big and small firms.
We actually supported a book last year. It was all about enabling the SMEs innovation in China through digital transformation. The advantage for the SMEs is really about their flexibility. Their innovation could quickly deploy through their organization and somehow bring to the market. But now, there are also several limitations of SMEs. Their innovation could be quite agile, but when they try to scale up, there's going to require significant support from outside. To truly drive the digital transformation and make it successful, it requires cross-functional collaboration. So to the outside external ecosystem, we're able to help the SMEs in a much broader scale.
The big ambitions require extensive cooperation between many industry players. The company has signed new agreements with several tech providers to include them into its industrial alliance. Industrial Information and Communications Technology Solutions provider HMS Networks is one of them, and it's also showcasing its latest solutions at the exhibition.
Despite
external challenges, China's supply chains have proved to be strongly resilient, including infrastructure. But we see some space for improvement in the level of digitalization and intelligence. Turnover efficiency is not high enough. With the alliance, I think we can help meet the target shortly. We established the company in China at the end of 2022, and we set up a subsidiary in Suzhou. We have expanded our team, and our business volume in China reached 100 million yuan at the end of last year.
As foreign companies gain a better outlook on the potential of industrial digitalization in China, they have become increasingly keen on cooperating with local firms. 70% of the companies that joined the alliance yesterday were local firms.
The holistic industry upgrade is one side, but another piece is extremely important, which is ESG and sustainability. That's what we focused on, and this is how we collaborate. When we have the vision, we find which SMEs have the similar vision and similar value as we are. And then the third piece is even more important. There are smaller companies or big companies in China trying to globalize. And we end up playing a massive, significant role to help them expanding their influence worldwide.
This year has not been easy for the world's industrial sector, so strengthening supply chains is among everyone's top priorities. Last month, China's industrial output grew by 4.5% from a year earlier, a higher year-on-year increase than in July. The decline in producer price index also narrowed last month, reflecting a more sufficient production supply, improved demand in certain industries, as well as eased international commodity prices. And some local companies have also been speeding up the efforts to strengthen supply chains and production capabilities.
Chinese robotics firm Haibin is showcasing more than 30 of its products at the exhibition, covering both industrial and service applications. All of its key components are now made domestically, and thanks to its newly upgraded smart production line, it's been significantly enhancing its delivery efficiency.
We are now making robots with robots. Almost all the assembly of the joints are made with robots. We can make delivery within 1 or 2 weeks from receiving an order. Last July, we redid our production lines with modular designs. During the past 3 years, we have made huge upgrades to our products. The control cabinet has been made smaller, with better quality, and we've managed to control our costs.
Li says the company has already received client requests from Russia, Germany, and the U.S. to visit its booth at the fair this year. And the company is now also in talk with its suppliers to help save further costs while securing quality. Zhang Shih, ICS for CGTN, Shanghai.